They give you quick access to information. So when you're running your machinery or your processing line, if anything looks strange and you need to look this up, you no longer have to spend time looking for that binder with the standard operating procedure on your shelf, opening it and going to the right page, finding that right page, and looking stuff up, and also fighting the fear that you might have found the wrong page and you're looking somewhere else. So you no longer have to worry about that. With this technology, you can ask right then and there and you get your answer. So that's important. Training processes, they are painful. We know that in most production facilities, operators dread training for yet another thing. So how does this simplify it? It's training on the job. You ask a question, you get an answer. The next question you ask is going to be a level higher, more complicated, more sophisticated. You're going to get an answer to that. It's interactive, and you don't have to sit in a 2-hour or 4-hour class to learn all this. You learn on the job. It's the best thing. So if you don't want to go through any more of those boring, drawn-out training sessions, talk to your supervisors about getting the AI chatbots into your workplace. And expect that you're going to come to work, you're going to have your computer, you're just going to be able to interact with it, and it's going to help you do what you normally do. We're not talking about replacing the screens of the software just yet. So that may be further away, in some cases many years away. We're talking about something in addition to the screens that you have, that you can talk to, that's going to know what is generally happening with your current production process. People have figured it out how to do this. So it's an exciting time. Go get your documentation in order and talk to your supervisors about going an extra mile and taking the next step